mic working? We're on now. Oh, hi. Welcome to the introduction to the CSS series, or playlist, however you'd like to call it, but it is a video series where we are going to be talking about adding CSS to our actual page. So, what is CSS? In the earlier videos, we actually talked about HTML, in which you probably came from the HTML series, where you pretty much have a bare bones skeleton of HTML elements. So now that you're done with that, now you can actually work with CSS and add a presentation layer to your actual HTML. So basically, it'll add a much better look to your actual websites. So before we started with what you see on the screen right here on this side, all right, so, and I'll actually just scroll up, and that was just pretty much our HTML elements. Then if we scroll up, our HTML elements actually turn into different types of frames, but still ugly. But then when we add CSS, to our actual web page, it then begins to look like something like this. Cascading style sheets. All right. So you actually turn your actual wood blanks or planks into something much more prettier. Okay, so stay tuned in the next video so you can actually see how to actually add CSS, in which CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, in which that will control the presentation of your actual web page or website. Okay, all right, short and sweet, full stack out. Talk with you later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, turn on your notifications.